Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram swipe up feature in stories. Instagram business accounts are able to insert swipe up links to their stories and in this case promote their products, blog posts and other pages. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and hit the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the story option from the pop-up menu. Once the story camera screen opens, take the photo, record the video, or upload the visual from your phone's gallery. Now click on the chain icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then press on the web link section and enter your link. Tap the checkmark icon in the upper right corner. Don't forget that you may insert stickers, use filters, draw or write something on your story. As soon as your story is ready, click on the Send To button and share it to Instagram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram swipe up feature in stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.